Hey guys, I'm Dave from Alphacool and we're here at CES 2018 and we're going to show you some of our new products. So you might have seen this already. It's the Ice Bear and this is an AIO solution. It's expandable, it's got a reservoir, pump, everything's built in, and this is basically your kind of entry-level AIO. It'll do everything you need and cool your CPU. If you want to get a bit more professional on it, you're going to go for a custom solution, and we have these Helix reservoirs. Now these come in multiple colours, they look awesome, and you've got the UV lighting as well. They're really, really nice and make your system stand out. Another AIO solution we've got is the Alphacool Ice Bear LT. It's got an updated design on the pump. We've got the quick disconnects, the G1 1/4" threads, and we've also updated the radiator as well. We've also started to branch into graphics card blocks that look really, really pretty. This one is for Vega and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a really nice thin design. It's got awesome nickel plating, and we've just changed so we've now got RGB lighting, and you can also swap the in and out ports. So instead of coming from the tops, you can go into the side, and that'll be included in the box, so you can change it as you want it. It's really easy, and let's face it, who doesn't want a pretty computer? So we'll go down this way and we'll check some other stuff out. Over here, if you want to change your computer's look, we've made it really easy with these modding kits. You can change the iZapfen fittings for the hardline tubing, and we've also got a top modding kit for the Ice Block XPX. They're really, really nice. We've got multiple colours. You've got red, blue, black, titanium, silver, and you know, we're hoping to make more. If you guys want them, let us know, tell us. I think you guys have seen these before, but this is the Ice Coffer. It's pretty much the complete solution for any bending that you want to do. It makes custom bending for your water loop really, really simple. You've got all the mandrels, you've got the saw, the inserts, you've got everything you need. So there's nothing really stopping you from being a pro bender, I guess. It's quite easy. Something else that a lot of modders will like is a lot of people like to create their own sleeving to make all the system and all the colours match, and we've now just released this kit. You've got de-pinning tools, you've got the snips, you've also got just your crimps, a wire stripper, and also you've got the measuring tools. You've also got a little needle to help you sleeve for paracord, which is really, really useful. If you've ever sleeved with paracord, it can be really tricky, and we're hoping to take that out of it. So, shall we go upstairs and see what's up there? Cool. So, as they say in other programs, this is where the magic happens. And here we've got some more products that we're just about to release, due to release soon. We showed you this downstairs for the Vega. This is for the Titan X. We've also made a slightly different version, which is this one, which is the Ice Block Acetal. And the difference between this and that one, this one's going to be a bit cheaper. It still looks sleek, but it's, it hasn't got the RGB and it won't have the changeable covers. Something else we've got, as you might have seen this already, it's the GPX Pro. This has got the pump inside the block as well, which is really useful because, you can have this plus another one and you've got 2 pumps. 2 pumps is good. Now, this bad boy is the Ice Bear Extreme. This is brand new. This is the first sample we've had of it, and it's come directly from China. And this is another AIO solution. The reservoir and pump is built into the radiator here. It's got G1 1/4" threads. You can change it, you can use the quick disconnects. The thing that's really cool about this is it's a proper CPU block. It's not using, a CPU block that needs a pump above it, which can create heat. It's just, it is the unlimited cooling power. That's it. It's really simple. And it uses Be Quiet Silent Wing 2 fans. So, that's what we've got to show for now. This will all be coming out in the next few months. I hope you guys buy it. Have fun.